Here with BETV Live, and we have Kipper. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, man, good. All good, you know what I mean?
Yes. I just watched your performance. It was a blessed performance.
Yeah, man, give thanks, you know, give thanks to all the energy we get from the people, man, thing, you know what I mean? Give thanks to the gathering. Give thanks to all the press who come out. Everybody will take them time and come out. We appreciate them. And we just give thanks.
Yes. So what is the message you have to give to the people through your music?
Well, a lot of message, you know. You know what I mean? Because you see, what I tend to do, I tend to sing a lot about things that people can relate to. You know what I mean? So if people listen to a lot of my songs, them will know, say, yeah, me I talk about what happened in a life for real. So whether it be in a reality form, or it be in a drama form, or it be in a whatever form it comes in. You know what I mean? But it's something where them can listen to and say, yeah, we know about this, or we experience it already. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Sure.
Yes, I hear you sing a lot about loyalty and royalty.
Yeah. Because we have to put in that punch there, you know, we have to make the people them understand, say, yeah, when time when you leave home, don't forget home. You know what I mean? Because if you don't remember where you come from, you're not going to know where you go. You know what I mean? So in order for shape the future, you have to remember the past and them things, and that carry you through and keep you up. You know what I mean? So always remember your people, them. Always remember your family. Always remember your good friend, them. You know what I mean? Yes. And just keep the focus there. If you have the focus there, you have life.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, man.
So what could the people expect from you from here today? Any other performances?
Yeah, man. Tuesday, I'm going to do a pass through in Brooklyn. Then you have the first, me there Orlando with Shaggy. The second, back in New York again, and next something again. Then not the third, the when. So much so, I have to call the booking agency now.
So do you plan to go to the Labor Day Parade or the Miami Carnival this year?
Yeah. If the parade provide a truck we can go up on, you know what I mean, a safe truck we can go up on, we're out there, man, definitely.
Nice.
You know what I mean? So I just hear about a good truck we can go up on and them things. Because I know for your time now, the truck problem are going out there and them things. So if you get a good truck we can go up on, it's all good.
Okay, so for the people that want to find you, Instagram, Facebook, any dates for your performances, where can they go online?
All right, the Instagram is The Real Kiprich, DIREALKIPRICH. Yeah, The Real Kiprich. Facebook is the same thing, Twitter is the same thing. So I'm easy to find. Don't go like you can't find me, you know. I'm easy to find, you know. Yeah, see. Yeah, man, say you don't know. A Champion League something. So remember, The Real Kiprich, DIREALKIPRICH.
Yeah, so we're here with The Real Kiprich. Big up BETV.
You don't know, BETV, everything lucky into the fullest. BETV, a Champion League something. No behavior.
Thank you, bless.